The new version of the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 will soon be even fiercer competition for the Microsoft Surface. The updated model of the 2-in-1 tablet goes on sale later this month for $1,599. That price roughly converts to £1,180 in the UK and AU $2,040 in Australia. It will feature a slick, new black-on-black design, sturdier keyboard accessory and slightly different kickstand hinge. Like last year's model, it comes with the keyboard and stylus. A bigger 13-inch IPS screen with a 3:2 screen ratio, similar to an A4 paper, is another big upgrade from last year's model. Spec-wise, the ThinkPad X1 tablet is very similar to the Lenovo Carbon and Yoga laptops that were also announced at CES 2018. However, it doesn't have the cool new ThinkShutter mechanical camera cover.